Hello there, welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to show you how you can summarize any PDF using Google Gemini. This is really simple to show you. At first, you have to actually go for the Google Gemini. So go for the browser and type Gemini in your search bar, and then you will find Google Gemini. So go to the gemini.google.com and you will find this page. And here you will find a bunch of different options. So we'll actually click here in the plus icon, and then so we have two different way. One is upload files, another one is add from drive. Let's just go with the first one, upload file, and from here we are going to add our PDF here. So I'll click here open. Now I will say here SUMMARIZ, summarize this PDF or me. I'll hit enter and I'll wait for this, and it will actually summarize the story. So here I can see the document title, The Flame of 1971, and provide a narrative account of courage and sacrifice of Bangladeshi freedom fighters during the liberation war against Pakistan. So, yes, it took the right story. It means it read my PDF. Now we have another way. You can actually go to the drive, Google Drive. So what you have to do, you have to actually go for the drive.google.com. Okay, and then it will actually take you to the Google Drive, and then here you can see I'm in a folder test. You can actually click here new, and then you can click folder, file, everything. Okay, so I have created a folder called test, and here I will upload my PDF at first. So this is my PDF. I'm going to upload it. Here you can see uploaded successfully. Now we'll go back to Gemini, and from here we are going to click here in the plus icon, add files, and now we'll click here add from drive, and we'll actually click connect. So this is my folder basically, test, and from here I'm going to add my PDF, right? So just select it and then click here insert, and then here you can see now my PDF added from the drive, right? Now here I will actually ask for summarize. I will say SUMMARIZ, summarize this in, let's say, one paragraph. Now here you can see it actually summarize our whole PDF, okay, the whole, our whole story in a paragraph. Here you can see. So this is how actually you can summarize anything. Let's say you got a PDF from your client in Fiverr, let's say. So now you don't understand, you get lots of files, right? And now you need to actually summarize them. You have to reply your client, right, within short time. So that time actually you can summarize these files and PDFs through this Google Gemini. All right, this is really simple, and I have shown you two different process. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.